How do the all-new 2026 Hyundai Palisade and Palisade Hybrid make space for everyone? Or to put it simply, how big is the interior? The minute you get in, you can feel how open, organized, and comfortable the Palisade truly is. You can choose between 7 and 8 passenger seating with optional second-row captain's chairs that make it easier to reach the back seats. Available power-folding third-row seats and hands-free smart liftgate make loading and unloading a breeze, while the low cargo floor keeps everything within reach. With all that space, you may be wondering, what kind of features help my family stay connected and comfortable in the 2026 Hyundai Palisade and Palisade Hybrid? Whether it's available heated and ventilated seats in the first and second rows, an automatic climate control system across 3 zones, or multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade can help make any ride a comfortable one for the whole family. On top of that, you've got innovative features like Passenger Talk, an in-car intercom that allows front passengers to speak to people in the third row, Quiet Mode, which silences rear speakers, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen display that puts your navigation, entertainment, and connectivity all in one spot. Of course, staying connected is excellent, but with that, how do the 2026 Hyundai Palisade and Palisade Hybrid help keep my family safe and confident? Safety is truly at the heart of the all-new Palisade, which comes equipped with Hyundai SmartSense, a comprehensive suite of safety technologies that help you stay aware of your surroundings and ready to act quickly if needed. Some of these features include blind spot collision warning, forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and driver attention warning, among others. So whether it's a short commute to work or an extended stay out of town, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade blends innovative technology with everyday practicality to give your family the space, comfort, and peace of mind they deserve while on the road. Want to learn more? Visit HyundaiUSA.com today and discover how the all-new Hyundai Palisade and Palisade Hybrid could fit your growing family.